I'm going to show you how to do a master reset on a Farfisa FP52PL proximity unit. So, there's a taken programmed. The master reset will delete the master cards as well. So, firstly you need to power down. And on the back of the unit, press the SW1 button, power back up, keeping that button pressed until you hear the beeps finish. And now release the button and you will see the unit counts down from 500 to 0. Every one of those is a user slot, so it's deleting them as you go. Remembering the MasterCards are users 010, so if you are clever you can stop it without deleting the MasterCards, but it's not hard to re-add them. So I'd advise, if you're factory resetting, just delete everything off. So that should be it. We'll test it with a fob, which was programmed before, and we'll test it with the original MasterCard, and that has been deleted as well.